I'm Mark, and we're at the Infrastructure and Operations Zone. I'm here with Adam, who's part of the Cloud Spanner team. Adam, why don't you tell us a little bit about what Cloud Spanner is?
Yeah, so Cloud Spanner is our scalable relational database. So typically, with traditional NoSQL databases, you get scale, and with traditional relational databases, you get transactions and relational semantics. With Cloud Spanner, it's the best of both worlds. And what we're showing here today is just how easy it is to spin up a Spanner instance and then scale that instance up and down. Step one is name your instance.
Good name.
You choose a configuration between multi-region and regional. So let's just pick multi-region. And then you choose your node count. So for this instance, for this display, you can go up to 19. So we'll just start there. And as you can see, data is loading. And if you need to scale down, you can scale down the instance. And let's get down to, let's say 12, and we'll stop it. And the system will reduce the number of nodes, rebalance all your data, do all sorts of load balancing on the back end, and all of that is completely abstracted away. So you just continue reading and writing data, scaling up and down, super easy to use, very low operational overhead.
Hey, Robert.
Hi, Mark.
So it sounds like you've got a demonstration that is actually running on real nodes.
Yes, exactly.
So we'd love to understand and see. Can you walk us through it?
Sure.
Perfect.
So right now we have a station here where you can choose like how much throughput you want to send against Cloud Spanner and how many nodes you want to have. All this is visualized in a Grafana dashboard. So basically collecting metrics with Prometheus and then showing that with a Grafana dashboard. Right now we have 20 clients running against our database. Now let's scale this a little bit. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to scale this, let's say, to 75%. I hit the button here. It's going to scale up the throughput. And we're going to see this here. You see it here already in the 99th percentile for the right, that the latency goes up. So we are actually right now probably stressing the instance pretty more hard. So what we want to do is we want to scale out our instance. So here on the right side, I can scale the nodes. I press the button again. And within, let's say, 5 seconds, you should see that the instance node count is going to go to 10. Now, we don't have time to see that the latencies are actually going to drop again. This will take about 1 minute to 2 minutes, but that's actually pretty fast. Just consider if you have a traditional database where you have to scale out yourself, what that would take. Now, if you want to learn more about Cloud Spanner, please go to cloud.google.com/spanner. And if you want to see this, like a couple of videos about Cloud Spanner, like how it works behind the scenes, please feel free to join my video series, TIL Cloud Spanner. You find it on YouTube.